Yo, 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 yo. It's You Can't Kill Me 89. I live forever. The fish, they live forever. Parry bird just ducked out real fast. It's weird that you can see my stool and you can see my foot in this. Anyhow, back to the main point. Gotta break the news. So, as you'll see, Zombie, Isis, and Blue, they're all gone. I made a good profit off of them. Also, Magic was the last one that I got rid of. Big Beast, made a good profit off him. And I kind of gave up on Flowerhorns for a second. I was just going to focus on Red Texas. And then I said, you know what? He looks just far too nice to not go back to this, to not give it another try. I would have had excellent success with Magic had he been fertile, but you know, things happen, man. Learning experience, and I went out and got this King Kamfa. It's being weird. He would actually do this if I wasn't filming him. This is just the weirdo he is. He's reminding me of Blue, and he likes to just jump up and bang the top of the tank. Tank cover, whatever. But he is a nice, fine specimen of a blue King Kamfa. Look at him looking like ice cream. It all depends on the light, man, because if I was using the light from my phone, he would have a more greenish look to him. But under regular light, he's got a bluish look to him. I'm not understanding that. Nonetheless, I really love this guy. I'm more excited about him than I was about my first Flowerhorn, Zombie. More excited about him than I was about Magic. I'm very, very sure he's fertile. And I'm very, very sure we're going to find out pretty soon, like in the next month. Because I got a female with him, and she's ready to go. She's been ready to go. This Killin Parrot right here. Oh yes, I couldn't have asked for a better shot of her. If she just go into the light instead of waiting for me to give her food. Yeah, she's got a nice pattern to her, if I do say so myself. Yes, that's gonna be nice right there. I hope they don't really come out looking like parrots though. I want them to have a normal body and look more like him. Those are the ones that I'm going to keep. So we'll just wait and see. This is just a good introduction of Nikko and his girl Katy Parry. I would show you my other Flowerhorn. She's not the most amazing. I like her. I like her a lot. I'm going to show her in another video. Give me a couple days. I'll do another water change because I had to put her in another tank due to the heater going bad. Whoa, I didn't know he could get up in there. And she's attacking him a little bit. He's up in there. Wow. And she's going to be smart and go in the tube down there. And I'm sure he's probably stuck over on this side. I really don't feel like dealing with this, but I'm gonna do what I have to. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like me to Nikko. I hope you comment, hope you like, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. Just hit me up, man. I like the comments, man. I like interacting with people who like what I like. Flowerhorns, cichlids, you know, all of that. All right, I'm out.